Hey guys, Midwest Picker here. This is a what sold video. I sold 4 items in the last few days. I actually sold 2 other items that are kind of high priced. Just the buyer hasn't paid for them yet, so I'm not going to put them on this video. They are mentioned on my Instagram account, which is linked below if you want to see that. It's a number 13 mason jar and a jacket that I sold. So what I sold in the last few days since the last video: cast iron pedestal. I'll put a picture up here. This was in a haul video when I went to Burley Park. I think it was 4th of July. I'll put the episode up here. I thought it was a Christmas tree stand, like a vintage Christmas tree stand, and I was wrong. It's more like a flagpole stand or a pedestal. It's too small to be a patio umbrella base. It's only 11 inches across and only weighs 5 pounds. It's like ornamental cast iron. So I was honest. I listed it on eBay. I didn't really know what it was. No maker's mark. No idea how old it is. I listed it for $59.95. Got an offer for 38 bucks, I believe. Yes, $38 from a very nice gentleman. And I took the offer. I paid $15 for it, so why not? Now, real quick, he sent me a message saying that he collects canoe prow. I don't know how you say it. P-R-O-W. A prow, I don't know what that is, and he's going to use this as a base to mount this thing on. So I had to Google it, and I Googled it, and a canoe prow, I don't know if I'm saying that right, is like the front part of a ancient canoe, like indigenous peoples and native peoples from all over different countries, South America, United States, doesn't matter. It's like the forward part of a canoe. Sometimes it's carved like a fish's head, or just has fancy carvings on it. I guess people collect these. If you Google it, they're extremely expensive. $2,000, $3,000, $4,000. I had never heard of these things before, so I did give them a packing slip. I shipped it off today, and on the packing slip I said, "Good luck, thank you for your purchase," and I asked him to send me a picture when it's all done, because I thought that would be pretty cool to have. So if he sends me a picture of it, I'll put it on this channel and show it to you. So it's kind of cool to see the final product like that. The next item I sold was an I Love Lucy Hallmark wind-up Christmas ornament. Put the picture right there. I went to a live auction up in Big Rapids, I think this spring. It was freezing cold.
12 and a half. Hey, 12 and a half, now 15, now 17, $20 bid, now 22 and a half. Now $25 bid, 25, 5, 25. Now 27 and a half, now 27 and a half, now 27 and a half.
I bought a bunch of stuff. Some of these pictures up here, I bought that one at the auction. This was a box of like 18 ornaments, and it turned out they weren't ornaments, they were ceramic Santa figurines. Maybe I'll put a picture here, and I have those listed right now on eBay as an auction. Getting a lot of views. So far no bids. It's okay, it's only been 5 days, but in this box of these 18, actually I have it right here, kind of like this. So in this box, the auctioneer held it up and said, you know, who give me 50 bucks, and nobody said anything, and $30, $20. He got down to $10, and he said, who give me $10? And I figured if there's 18 or so items in there, it's got to be worth at least 10 bucks. So I threw up my bid, and he didn't even take any other bids. He just handed it to me, so I got it for 10 bucks. So in this box was the I Love Lucy ornament. It's a little wind-up one. Technically open boxed item, so I can't list it as new, but it's sold anyways. $15.95. Somebody paid my asking price and it's gone, so that was a cool flip. I don't know how you would price it. Less than $1. I don't know, 60 cents, 70 cents I paid for it, and sold it for $15.95. Next item is an industrial toilet paper dispenser right here. Highly do not recommend this one. The problem is it's over a pound. It's kind of heavy. It's like 1.5 pounds. It's not worth much of anything, like $10. So this is the ultimate item you don't buy. Like the worst thing you can buy to resell is a 5-pound dumbbell, because it's super heavy and it's only worth 5 bucks. So it's going to cost more to ship it than what it's worth. The ultimate item is like a gold coin. It's worth $2,000 and it's super inexpensive to ship, even if you had insurance and all that. So this item, it was kind of dumb. I got it for $1, and I figured it's got to be worth more than that. Well, it's worth like 10 bucks, because I had it listed for $15 for about a year and got nothing, and this guy offered me $10. Like, alright, so it was expensive to ship. It's a dumb item. It wouldn't even fit in a region A box. I had to go in a region B box, which is even more expensive. So I don't recommend industrial toilet paper dispensers. That was a stupid purchase. But that's how you learn. The next item is right here, SK brand hand tools, these two little sockets. I got these free. I think I bought like a jar full of sockets, and I went through and separated them out, which I haven't listed yet, but they're over here. Some Craftsman, some Stanley brand, which are actually really good brands. They're all made in America, guaranteed forever, so they're really good quality sockets. And then these two SKs were in there. So I bundled them together. I think I put them on for $7.95, and the guy offered me $5.95, so I took it. He paid shipping, and good little flip. I mean, they're basically free, and I sold them for $5.95. The other thing I wanted to do in this video is show you what I'm going to be listing. Haven't listed them yet, but I will be. This is a little die cut. This is a German die cut. It's very old, of like two Santas. I paid $6 for that. I have to research it to see what it's worth, but I'm going to be listing that on my eBay store tonight. This is a vintage Valentine, probably 1940s-ish, I don't know, but it's anthropomorphic with a little dog dressed up like a person, so those usually sell really well. And you'll notice it's got some folds and creases right here. Make sure you disclose that. So when you list these, make sure you're honest and say it's got creases and folds. It might not show up in the photo, and then when they receive it, they might not be happy and want to return it. I don't think this is a Valentine. It's a real heavy card stock, pretty old, really cool. Paid like 50 cents for this. This one I paid 50 cents for this. And let's see, the little doggy, kind of anthropomorphic too. Little doggy Valentine, paid 50 cents for that one. That'll be going. I gotta figure out what they are. This is a huge one. This is an old Valentine. This is like, it's got 3 different layers and they're all connected, so it folds out. It's got crepe paper, so when you flatten it out, it's got 3 layers, so it's really big. It's got some writing on the back, but that's expected with Valentines. People don't care. They know that they're used, and they know little kids are gonna write on it. But hey, this is from like the 1930s, so people really like it. It's really cool. You can see that little girl is really old-fashioned looking there, if you can see that. So I have to research this. This one's really big. It'll probably be a lot of money. So yeah, very collectible. This is the right time of year for Valentine's cards. Christmas too. It's not too late. I'm selling Christmas ornaments. So Christmas items, Valentine's Day, go ahead and list it now. People are looking for it and they will buy it. So these will be up in the eBay store soon. So that's it, guys. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments. Shoot me an email. If this is your first time, subscribe so you can get notified when I have new videos. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.